welcome back to my channel. I am super excited today because today is the first day that I have ever gotten a FabFitFun box. So for those who don't know what FabFitFun is, it is a lifestyle box where they have various full-size products, and it's $49.99 a season. So every 3 months they'll charge you, they'll send you a box. Supposedly there's up to $200 worth of products inside this box. So I'm super excited and I'm looking forward to getting into it with you guys and sharing what I got. It was super easy. Went online, filled it up. Here's what the inside looks like when you get it. Looks like there's a little editors, how this box is curated. And it's just kind of a little magazine that kind of goes through some of the various stuff. So we'll check that out in a little bit. Looks like there's some other little coupons and things, and here's what is in my box. It says the total retail value of what is inside this box is between $206 to $451 depending on what items you pick. So you can choose a few items that if you want to put them in your box, you can select some up front and then they kind of fill in the rest. So let's get in, let's see what I got. Open up here. Tear right through it. So a lot of it is like makeup-y kind of items and that kind of stuff. So let's see. This is the Color Switch Instant Brush Cleaner. Looks like this. It says it's basically like a makeup brush cleaner. And this retails for $16.99. It's the Veramona Color Switch Solo. It says easily switch between your favorite shades while applying makeup. No water or liquids required. So that'll be kind of nice when you're changing between like blushes or eye makeup. Let's see what's next. Makeup eraser. Erase all makeup with just water. So here's this. Is erase the day's makeup. So what is this? Is this like a washcloth? Oh, it is. Okay, so it's like when you just use water and take the makeup off your face. Vegetarian and vegan friendly, cruelty free, EU approved, hypoallergenic and dermatologist approved. So there's that. Let's see what's next. Murad Rapid Collagen Infusion. It says Resurgence. It says fast-acting treatment with a tropical filler-like effect. Plump skin surface to minimize looks, lines, wrinkles. Oh, that's good. Because I'll tell you what, I got these ones right here. These are my WTF lines because I'm constantly like, so that's what those are. So maybe this will help with that. Oh, and let's see, what was this? What does this retail as? This retails for $78. Now remember, I only paid $49.99 for this box. So this in and of itself just paid for this box. All right, what's next? This one is the Grown Alchemist Detox Night Cream by Biological Beauty. It looks like this. It says Australian certified toxic free through a profound understanding of human biology, cellular renewal, and nutrient utilization. Our formulations represent a new evolution of scientifically capable biological beauty. So this one, let's see if I can find it on the sheet here. Yeah, this blend of peptides, vitamins, and hyaluronic acid helps reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. $125 retail value. That's awesome. I hope that works. Again, trying to get rid of these up here. We'll see. All right, so next, Skin Volve. It says Body Boost Gel Stimulant. So looks like tone, firm, and smooth pre-workout activator. Looks like this. And this, let's see what it says on this sheet. It says green tea, ginseng, and menthol targets problem areas to give you smoother skin. This is a $45 value. Have to try that one out. Let's see what's next. Let's see here. Illuminating Ultimate Glow Primer. It says, if I can read this, Soft Focus Glow Drops by Rodile. And let's see if I can find this one on the sheet. What does it look? Why am I not seeing it on the sheet? What does it look like? Oh, there it is right there. It says, gives your skin a natural dewy complexion, and this is $55. So just kind of a natural primer for underneath your makeup. Next, we have by Humankind. It's Body Souffle, so just kind of a lotion of some sort. Lightly whipped for ultimate in kindness, human, plus says 2-in-1 light and fluffy body souffle. Quickly absorbed in your skin. Let's see what that smells like. Oh, it's wrapped here. Let's see. This is an $18.50 value. Oh, that smells nice. That smells nice. Try that later. What else is in here? Let's see. I think there might be one more thing here in my box. Yep, this looks to be the last one. It's called by Cuccio. I know I'm saying that wrong, but it says Cuccio. Okay. So, this Somatology, Cuccio Somatology, and it's yoga. It says calm and clean Epsom salt hand and body wash. This retails for $39.95. It says, here's what it looks like. It says, cleanse your hands with this relaxing blend of lavender oil and shea butter. Well, this will be nice, especially since all of us need to be washing our hands a lot more. This will bring some sanity and calmness into my life as I'm constantly washing my hands. But that's it. That's everything I got. And for all of these products, I mean, which one was it? This one and this one. $125, and this one was $75, plus all of this other stuff. I mean, for $49.99, this is amazing. I can't believe like these products with as much as they cost. And I know I've seen this Murad brand at Ulta, and it's expensive. It's really expensive. Some of these other ones I've never heard before, but I'm like really interested and looking forward to trying them. But if you guys are interested in trying this out too, and for my first box, I think this was super fun. And I'm gonna have a lot of fun playing with all this stuff as well. If you guys are interested in trying, I'll put a link below where you can get $10 off your first box. But this is fun. I think I just found like one of my new favorite boxes. I've never done this before. So I'm really, really like looking forward to it. So thank you guys for joining me today, and I know this was a quick one, but I'm looking forward to seeing you guys next time. Bye.